Is your Fire Stick not connecting to Wi-Fi or not showing up on your TV's HDMI? Device glitches happen more often than you think, but don't let it stop you from streaming your favorite TV shows. We're going to show you how to fix 5 of the most common Amazon Fire TV Stick issues. Seeing the dreaded black screen on your TV, or your Fire TV Stick isn't showing up? This is often an HDMI issue. Ensure the HDMI cable is firmly connected to both the TV and the Fire Stick. If your TV has multiple HDMI ports, remove other connected devices and try a different one. You should also power cycle your Fire Stick or TV, and check that the HDMI port you're using matches your TV's input source. To rule out a faulty device or connection, try plugging your Fire Stick into another TV, or switching up the HDMI cable. Struggling to connect your Fire TV Stick to Wi-Fi? Here's what to do. Start by checking the network status. Go to Settings, Network, and see if you're connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, double-check that you've entered the right password, or try forgetting the Wi-Fi network and join it again. Restarting your router and Fire Stick can sometimes troubleshoot any minor Wi-Fi issues, but don't forget to also run a software update on your Fire Stick. So your Fire Stick is stuck in update limbo. Apart from a bad internet connection, you might have too many apps on your device. You generally need about 500 megabytes of free space for any new updates to successfully install. To see how much space is available on your Fire Stick, go to Settings, My Fire TV, select About, and choose Storage. When your Fire Stick is running low on storage, it can also cause your apps to crash unexpectedly. Free up some space by clearing the app's cache. In Settings, go to Applications, Manage Installed Applications, Files, and select Clear Cache. If the app keeps crashing, try reinstalling it again. Does the sound suddenly cut off while you're watching your favorite TV show? This might be obvious, but see if your device is accidentally put on mute. A quick relaunch of the streaming app can fix audio glitches too. You should also check that your audio configurations are set up correctly. In your Settings menu, go to Display and Sounds, Audio, Surround Sound, and select your audio output. When you've tried everything and your Fire Stick is still giving you a hard time, a factory reset would be the last resort. This step will wipe all your personalized settings and fix any existing bugs, so you can start afresh with your device. If you still have problems setting up your Fire Stick, our experts are here to help. For more information about protecting and caring for your devices, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.